Well, we're standing on the municipal airport at Kalakembe. Kalakembe is in the center of two major provinces in Angola, about 200 kilometers from any major city, and serves 500,000 directly within a 60-kilometer radius. And I came here first 40 years ago, and in some sense cut my teeth here, spent 12 years here, and I've always had a place in my heart for a place that represents and stands for Christians caring for their neighbor. And I think one of the beautiful things about what's happening and still continues is here's a full-service hospital in the middle of nowhere, largely run by nurses, 2 doctors, and a school of nursing with 300 students trying to care for these 500,000 patients, 1,000 babies a year being born, and doing what they can. There's so much more that could, or should, and might be done, and MAF has been a large part. It came here first because of the need for just basic survival of the hospital with the medications air bridge, and in these latter years it's been paving a people bridge, bringing people like me here on a regular basis, monthly basis, so that we can continue the battle of caring, which is a huge challenge in this lovely country.